Hi, welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. The video is on integrated fish and vermicompost farm. Vermicomposting is the scientific process of making compost by using earthworms. They are mostly found living in soil, feeding on biomass and excreting it in a digested form. Vermicompost is a type of organic fertilizer. This method of producing vermicompost is called vermicomposting. It can improve soil quality, increase plant yields, and suppress diseases and pests. Vermicomposting has direct environmental and economic advantages as it contributes to the sustainable agriculture production and income of farmers significantly. Advantages of vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is comparatively cheaper, eco-friendly, and enhances soil health. It is beneficial for sustainable agriculture production and animal husbandry. The best source to get income from the garbage. Improve the growth and quality of the plant. It is easy to handle and apply. It improves the soil water holding capacity. Vermicompost help neutralizes soil fertility. Integrated biofloc fish farming. Integrated fish farming is one of the best examples of mixed farming. Biofloc is a profitable method of fish farming. It has become very popular all around the world as an alternative to open pond fish farming. It is a low-cost way in which toxic materials for the fish such as ammonia, nitrate, and nitrite can be converted into feed. The principle of this technique is to recycle nutrients. Biofloc helps in cleaning the culture water of the fish while giving an additional source of feed. It is a sustainable and eco-friendly process. Rearing of fish at high density requires some waste management system. Biofloc is a waste treatment system at its core. It was developed to prevent diseases from incoming water to a farm. How to start integrated fish and vermicompost production business. Vermicompost organic fertilizer production has now become a major component of agri-business models across the world with a very low initial investment. Vermicompost is the product or process of composting utilizing various species of worms to create a mixture of decomposing vegetable or food waste, bedding materials, and vermicaste. Integrated fish farming refers to the simultaneous culture of fish or shellfish along with other culture systems. Here we can consider integrated fish and vermicompost. It may also be defined as the sequential linkage between two or more culture practices. Generally, integrated farming means the production or culture of two or more farming practices, but when fish becomes its major component, it is called integrated fish farming. Fish culture can be integrated with several systems for efficient resource utilization. The integration of aquaculture with livestock or crop farming provides quality protein food, resource utilization, recycling of farm waste, employment generation, and economic development. Integrated fish farming is well-developed system practice in China followed by Hungary, Germany, and Malaysia. For integration, we can use recycled effluents from agro-based industries as well as food processing plants. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share the video with your friends. And if not subscribed to our channel, subscribe Discover Agriculture. Have a great day.